NVC Hip Hop Quattro. Social change is the question. What is the
about a gang I know, developed their education at Delta Alpha Rho. Their colors pink and green, their mottos to obey. They live in the caste they call democracy. The house, the car, the kid must all be blue. The concept of justice is very important too. The language that they speak includes moralistic judgment. Describing lack of choice is the message being sent. In moralistic judgment, they tell you that you're wrong. They tell you that you're singing a very bad song. They tell you you're abnormal and hope you buy the story. They cover up your beauty and try to hide your glory. Should, shouldn't, must, have to and can't. Just following orders, nothing personal, man. Just doing my job, I had no choice. Let's find our inner strength, let's tap our inner voice. That you've heard all of your life is just be quiet and always be polite. Can you muster up the courage to sell that old story? Imagine a moment you don't have to say you're sorry. Be true to yourself, express how you feel, connect to your heart, and learn how to peel back all of the myths that have been put upon you. You've always had it in you, this belief I hold true. Instead of moralistic judgment, let's make it life-serving. Look at needs and feelings instead of wrongdoing. Let's guess the reason the person did what they did and how that leaves us feeling without going to our head. Need-serving, life-serving, judgment can be fun. When we play, win, lose, there can be only one. One who wins the game, one who's always right, one who's always wrong. Oh, I predict the fight. In the eyes of Buddha, oh wait, I mean Muhammad, or is it Allah, or is it Jesus Christ? Is God a woman or a man? Too many stories, I'm confused again. In the game, make life wonderful, everybody wins. But in the jackal story, I believe that's a sin. Since giraffes have the largest heart, I'm buying into that. Connecting other hearts like a line drive off the bat. To make social change, acknowledge you have a choice. Maintain your compassion, maintain your own voice. Instead of punitive justice, let's go the restorative route. So when it comes to love, you'll never have a drought. Create your own story, create your own gang. Develop your education, the best that you can. Before I let you go, I want to thank you for your time. I'm grateful for your patience with my social change rhyme.
Peace. Nonviolent communication. Franter. Simba to the Lion King. Shades of brown. Namaste. CNVC.org. Ado. Triple D. Out. NVCH squared 4.